Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from across the world. My name is Omenuko Emeka Moses of the Omenuko Lifestyle channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful yet underrated food in the world. And what is it? Beans. 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 So whether you eat them every day or you hardly eat them at all, beans are full of surprises. So let's get into it and talk about 10 amazing facts you probably didn't know about beans. Today we're talking about 10 amazing facts you didn't know about beans. So get ready with me. Basibe, fact number one, beans is high in protein. Beans is a very formidable plant-based protein source. They help to repair and build body tissues just like meat does. So if you're someone that is actually cutting down on meat, you can fall back on beans. Beans got your back. So they are high protein source. Fact number two about beans. Beans is rich in fiber. Fiber is one of the things that's fiber foods are very essential for digestion. And beans is full with fiber. When you eat fiber foods, it will keep you full. Okay, we're talking about beans. So beans will keep you full. It will help regulate your body system. Yes, it will help regulate your body system and also help you control your weight. Beans will help you control your weight, regulate your body system, and is to help you in digestion. That's number two, rich in fiber. Fact number three is heart health benefits. Beans are great for your heart. Regular beans consumption reduces bad cholesterol and also improves circulation, thereby reducing the risk of heart diseases. Yes, heart health benefits. Fact number four, beans is great for blood sugar control. Why and how does it do that? Beans digest slowly, thereby releasing sugar into the bloodstream very slowly. Do you understand? And if it's releasing sugar slowly into the bloodstream, it's going to reduce sugar spikes and crashing in the system. And because sugar is not released anyhow into the system, it's perfect for managing diabetes. Fact number five, you already know this. I've said it in more than 4 or 5 videos in this whole series. Beans improves soil fertility. Fact number five, beans improves soil fertility. And how does it do this? Like I said, I explained it in my yesterday video. Beans help to trap nitrogen from the soil and impute it into the soil. This is being done by a bacteria in the root nodules, the rhizobium. So beans is generally known as a farmer's best friend because it helps improve fertility. Anywhere you plant beans, you improve the nitrogen content of that soil, which other plants can use also. So beans improves fertility of the soil. Basibe. So this is the fifth one. Before I go on to the sixth one, let's go outside and let's look at the beans plant today. Today is our day 71 of the beans farming experiment, and 18th of April 2025. Let's go outside and see. Then when we come back, we're going to continue our video, which is about 10 facts about beans you probably didn't know about. This number 5, you already know about it if you've been watching my videos. Thank you. So this is our day 71 of the beans farming experiment, and today is 18th of April 2025. 18th of April 2025, and we don't have any beans flowers yet. So we're going to go back to our lectures. Fact number six. Fact number six about beans. Beans is a budget-friendly superfood. It's a budget-friendly superfood. Beans is very affordable. It's one of the most affordable food you can find in Nigeria. As it stands now, it's about 2,200 naira per mudu. Someone can eat a mudu up until 3 days in Nigeria. Just one person If you eat it morning, afternoon, night, I'm sure you can eat it up to 3 days. Yes, I want to believe that. It's a budget-friendly superfood. Do you understand? Anywhere is packed with vitamins and minerals, and it is very affordable and readily available. That's what beans is. Fact number 6: it's a friendly superfood. Fact number 7: the diversity and versatility. Beans, there are different types of beans. There is kidney beans, iron beans, white beans, brown beans, lima beans, and all these varieties of beans brings with it different kinds of nutrients. So you cannot really get tired of beans because you can eat it in almost any format you want. So there are diversity and it's also versatile. So the texture of the taste the beans brings to your meal it gives you like different flavors every time you eat, so you cannot really get tired of it. So beans, one of the facts about beans, fact number 7, is that it's diverse and versatile, makes your meal different all the time, brings different taste, brings different flavors, packed with different minerals every time you eat it. Fact number 8: beans can reduce or may reduce cancer risk. Beans are full of antioxidants and phytochemicals that may reduce the risk of cancer, especially colon cancer. According to special studies, that beans are full of antioxidants and phytochemicals that may reduce the effect of cancer. Fact number 9, second to the last fact, fact number 9: beans support gut health. Beans support gut health. Beans feeds your good gut bacteria, the good bacteria in your system. Beans feeds them. It boosts your immunity and mood. Beans feeds your good gut bacteria, and by doing this, it boosts your immunity and your mood. There is this popular saying that a good gut is a healthy body. Number 10 fact about beans is that beans is easy to grow. You don't need a large farm. Easy to grow. Yes, beans is easy to grow at home. You don't need a large farm. You're looking for a large expanse of land to go and plant beans. You don't need that. You can grow it in home. You can grow it in pots. You can grow it in containers. You can grow it in nylons. You can grow it in sacks. Anywhere just around your home, and feed your family or feed yourself, as the case may be. So it doesn't need complexity. You don't need tractor or things like that to go and start farming beans. No, you can grow it at home comfortably in your home. Beans are easy to grow. 10 powerful facts about beans. Whether you're looking to grow your own food crops or just learn more about beans, beans deserves all the attention it's getting. If you found these 10 facts very helpful, please like this video, drop a comment for me. Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Omenuko Lifestyle channel. Basibe.